No mai koutou, ko Arlia ia. She is Arlia.
E mo ātaro Winton School, ko Hunter ia. He is Hunter. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ra'apa, the 3rd of February.
We start the year with a big Kia Ora to all returning students and staff.
We also welcome to the school Miss Morrison in room 9, Mrs. O'Neill in room 6, and Miss Eade in room 5.
Welcome to Winton School, ladies. Enjoy your first day here at Te Kura or Pokatu.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is extreme from 1:30 to 2:30 and high from 11 right through until 5 o'clock tonight.
So make sure you're wearing your portai and you are sun smart after school too, koutou. Kia ora.
In HI VIZ VESTS, most students are wearing them. Please do likewise.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tartaree, which is te reo for wait.
As in ka tatari o kia akwe. I'll wait for you.
Ooh, that's so romantic, just like in the movies.
Tartaree, which is te reo for wait.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Ka pai. Okay, one birthday at Winton School today. First day back and he's the big 10 years old.
Happy birthday, Charlie Hubba. Have a great day, sir. Ra whānau kia koe.
That's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite apua. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.